Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to XIAOMI 12T Pro. First of all, go into Play Store on both. Then you need to click on the search bars and download this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, select Open. Now finally you can tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow in order to use this app. Then do exactly the same on XIAOMI 12T Pro. Over here you can click on Not Now in the pop-up if you wish to and close it by selecting OK. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of this XIAOMI smartphone and receive on XIAOMI 12T Pro. Then you need to click on the best option for you. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Following that, just close this window and tap on all of those type of dots on XIAOMI smartphone here in order to select them. Then choose Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of them and then send them. It will take a long time though to do it right now, so I will go with only one photo. Maybe that one. Choose Send and tap on Got It. As you can see, finally we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. Or we can input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!